How to create dummy variables in Pandas when columns can have mixed types? How to create dummy variables in Pandas, Python 2.7, has been asked many times, but I don't know a robust and fast solution yet. Consider this data frame. Yes, it has mixed types. Happens all the time with big datasets. I have millions of rows. I need to create dummy variables that are 1 if a condition is true, and 0 otherwise. I am assuming that if Pandas cannot perform the logical comparison, say comparing whether a string is larger than some real number, I would get a 0. Look at this instead. Clearly this is problematic. What is happening here? How can I prevent these false flags? Many thanks.
Two ways you could do. Third could perhaps be slow.
Update. John Galt pointed out in the comments a better way would be to use pd.to_numeric with errors equals coerce. One general way to create such dummy variables will be along these lines. You are doing the operations in Python 2.7, where comparisons between str and int are, unfortunately, allowed. The operations fail on Python 3,